In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove pages in Lovable. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. Whether you're tidying up your project by eliminating outdated content or simplifying your design, removing unnecessary pages can greatly enhance the overall user experience. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the project where the page you intend to remove is located. The initial step is crucial, as you'll need to ensure you're working within the correct project to avoid any unintended deletions. So, take a moment to double check the project name and details, ensuring you're exactly where you need to be before proceeding further. Once you've opened the right project, focus your attention on the AI prompt box. This will be your main tool for communicating with Lovable, and where you'll detail your specific instructions for which page needs to be deleted. When crafting your prompt, clarity is key. You're going to want to describe precisely which page should be removed. For example, if you'd like to delete a particular page like the contact page, your prompt might read, "Delete the contact page and remove all navigation links to it." This not only tells Lovable which page to remove, but also instructs the system to eliminate any associated navigation links, ensuring a clean and consistent look across your project. If you're targeting another page, such as the pricing page, your prompt could be something like, "Remove the pricing page and any routes that reference it." This ensures that not just the page itself is deleted, but also that any parts connecting to it within your site's architecture are properly managed. It's all about providing clear and concise instructions to Lovable, so the transition is seamless and you avoid leaving behind any broken links or inconsistencies. After you submit your prompt in the AI prompt box, Lovable will proceed to generate changes based on your instructions. Take a moment to review these changes carefully. This review session is an important opportunity to confirm that the specific page and its navigation links have indeed been removed correctly. It's worth taking the time to go through the updated structure or layout to ensure everything aligns with your intended outcome. If everything looks good and the page, along with any associated links, has been successfully eliminated, then you're all set. However, if something doesn't look quite right, don't hesitate to reissue your prompt with additional details or adjustments as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively remove pages in Lovable. Not only does this process streamline your project, but it also enhances the user experience by keeping the navigation clean and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.